chrysanthemum flower doesn't rush. It opens slowly, holds its fragrance quietly, and waits to be understood. Inside the factory, that single bloom begins two gentle journeys. Some flowers are dried whole, becoming dried chrysanthemum heads for clear, calming cups of traditional tea. Others are carefully separated into dried petals and florets, created to blend softly with herbs in modern herbal teas. One flower, two expressions. Step inside and see how calm is carefully preserved. In this stage, fresh chrysanthemum flowers are carefully hand-harvested at peak bloom, when aroma and color are most delicate. Using selective picking and breathable field containers, the harvest team gently separates whole flower heads from blooms intended for petals and florets. This step plays a critical role in preserving natural fragrance and visual quality. By harvesting early and handling softly, the process ensures every flower arrives intact, calm, and ready for drying. In this stage, freshly harvested chrysanthemum flowers are washed to remove dust, soil, and field residues without disturbing their fragile structure. Using low-pressure water flow and controlled rinsing systems, the factory cleans each bloom while preserving shape, color, and aroma. This step plays a critical role in ensuring purity and safety before drying. By cleaning gently and consistently, the process prepares every flower for the next stage, clean, calm, and unchanged. In this stage, clean chrysanthemum flowers are slowly transformed into stable, tea-ready ingredients through carefully controlled drying. Using low-temperature airflow systems, moisture is gently removed while color, aroma, and delicate structure are protected. This step plays a critical role in defining the final quality of both whole flower heads and petals for blending. By drying evenly and patiently, the factory captures the flower at its quiet peak, ready to last, ready to be brewed. In this stage, dried chrysanthemum petals and florets are gently cut and blended for herbal tea mixes and tea bags. Using precision cutting and controlled blending systems, the factory ensures uniform size, even distribution, and consistent aroma in every batch. This step plays a critical role in delivering a smooth, balanced infusion. By blending carefully and thoughtfully, the factory turns individual petals into a harmonious tea, ready to steep, ready to soothe. this final stage, finished chrysanthemum tea products are carefully packed to preserve freshness, aroma, and visual quality. Using sealed, food-grade packaging systems, the factory protects both whole flower heads and tea blends from light, moisture, and air. This step ensures the tea remains exactly as it was when processing ended: clean, stable, and ready to brew. And if you enjoy seeing how calm is made, subscribe and join us for the next journey inside the factory.